Hello everyone, good morning. I am Mofis. This is day 27 of my English speaking practice. And the last few days we are speaking continuously. And I am not a fluent speaker, but every single day I try to practice and I try to explore my real life situation. So, through this video, you can learn how to become a fluent speaker and how you can practice whenever you not have an environment, whenever you not have a good guide. You can learn English language without any kind of environment and also without any kind of guide. Just you have to practice whatever you are doing, try to express this situation and try to describe this situation in English language. Whatever you are listening, try to check yourself. Did I know the English of this word, whatever I listened? And whatever you see, try to know the English, this word and situation, condition. So as how you will collect lots of vocabulary, lots of good sentence, and you will feel good, and you will not have any kind of stress in your brain. As how you learn your mother tongue. Whenever was need that time you try to know the word, vocab and sentence. So apply same method and continue with us. This video will give you proper idea how to practice, how to explore the real life situation. For example, early morning we also try to drink tea. Tea is our habit. So without tea, we can't start our day, and we are all Indian. And the minimum majority of Indian people they start their day with a cup of tea. So I like tea, and every single day I try to drink tea. If you like, so you can comment, you can write it in our comment box. And what type of sentence do you use for tea? For example, I like tea and try to talk with tea. Try to talk with tea when you will talk with tea. Automatically, you will learn lot of things from tea. As how your brain will have an idea how to practice with real life things, and in this way, you will learn lots of unknown word and vocab. So when you will try to explore the real life situation, then you will find a very easy method. In this method, just you will enjoy. So early morning, I have completed my morning prayer. Then I have come back to my room and I was reciting my holy Quran. Then my father called me and he told, "Let's go to graveyard." So I went graveyard with him, and we are just praying some parts of Quran. After that, we pray to Allah for forgive us, for our prosperity, for our growth, for our good health, and for become a good human. After that, we have come back to my home. You can also describe how was your morning time and what did you do early morning, and after that what do you have a plan, so you can narrate all things front of your camera. When you will do this, automatically you will have an idea and you will have a confidence day by day, means for become a fluent speaker. So, by practicing one day, you can't become a fluent speaker. But when you will do practice every single day, then you will find a good and great result in your journey. So, continue with us in this video and we will try to give you real life situation. Maybe you can find something good and great things from our videos.